Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 computer and you are receiving this error code that is 0x800f081f. So if you're receiving this error message whenever you try to update your Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on system and then scroll down. Here you can see the troubleshoot option. Click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters. Now here you can see Windows update. Click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 installation assistant, and you will see the option which says accept and install. Now in case Windows 11 installation assistant is not launching, if it's not opening, then go to the download location. So go to File Explorer and then go to Downloads. Make a right click on Windows 11 installation assistant and then select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the drop down option and then click on apply. OK. Now make a double click and you should be able to see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on accept and install and your Windows should be up to date. You should not receive any kind of error message. Now the next step is to reset Windows update components. For this, copy all this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Type in notepad in Windows search box and then open notepad. Paste all the command over here. Go to file, then click on save as. Set the location as desktop and name this file as wuauserv.bat. And for save as type, select all files, then click on save. Now close notepad, go to desktop. Here you can see wufix file. Make a right click, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will go ahead and stop all the Windows update services first, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans which will take time. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update components. Now once this process is complete, this process will take some time. So please be patient. So once the process is complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11 and you should not face any kind of error message. Now the next step is to use media creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. This is the same link. Scroll down here. You can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And once the download is complete, run the exe file. And then you will see the screen which says accept. So click on accept. Then by default Windows 11 would be selected. So click on next and select ISO file. Then click on next. And then set the location as desktop. And you can go ahead and click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop. Here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file, and here you can see setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. Now here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next and it will go ahead and check for update. Then click on accept. Then again it will check for update. Now once the process is complete, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install. And by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now, when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.